Hello everyone, so welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture we'll see commutative law and associative law of modular arithmetic. So first we'll start with the commutative law. Commutative law says that commutative law is applicable for the plus and minus both. So first we'll start with the plus. This statement says that if we have a plus b, and for a plus b, if we'll take the mod of m, then it will be solved in that way. First a mod of m will be taken with the a, so it will be a mod of m. Then we will take mod of m with the b, so it will be b mod of m, and whatever result will come, here plus will be there, and entire result again will be taken with the mod of m. So this is nothing but commutative law of the plus sign. The similar case can be applied for the minus also. Here everything is same, but instead of writing a plus, here minus is written. And then after that we'll see associative law. Associative law is applicable for the multiplication part. Associative law says that if we have a into b mod of m, then first in that particular case, first we'll take mod of m with the a, so it will be a mod of m. Then we'll take mod of m with the b, so it will be b mod of m. And here in between we have the multiplication sign, so here multiplication sign will come, and whatever result will come after that, entire result will be taken as a mod of m. So this is how commutative law and associative law works. And from the next lecture we'll see the problem on that. And this is the end of this lecture. Thank you.